Lieutenant.
Lieutenant.
Nem, egyes
Sergeant Wilner asked the general his full correct name and rank.
A tábornagy úr, tessék nekünk megadni a nevét és rangját.
Vitéz Kassai Farkas László, magyar király altábornagy.
Köszönöm szépen. His name is Sir Vitéz Kassai Farkas László. He is a Lieutenant General in the Hungarian Army.
All right. Now ask him how long he and his men have been under the Nazi yoke, how long they have been associated with the Nazis since the war began.
Igen. A tábornagy úr mióta vannak a németekkel összeköttetésben? Az emberei és a tábornagy úr.
Én a németekkel összeköttetésben a munkás dandárommal múlt év október végével kerültem.
Köszönöm. Sir, he has been a commander of a work outfit ever since October 1943, which was under the supervision of the Germans.
I see. Sergeant, ask the general how the Nazis used he and his men, since he's been associated with them over here.
Tábornagy úr, tessék nekünk megmondani, hogy a németek hogyan bántak a tábornagy úrral és az embereivel.
Amíg Magyarországon voltam, a németekkel nem voltam kapcsolatban. Amikor azonban átléptem a magyar-német határt, azóta egy megalázó, embertelen bánásmódon volt részem nekem is, meg a csapataimnak is.
So as long as they were in Hungary, they had no connections with the Germans whatsoever. About 6 weeks ago, they were forced to come over to Germany, rather Austria. And after the day they passed the border, they have been treated inhumanly, and they're very dissatisfied with their allies in general.
I see. Will you ask the general exactly how many men he has under his command at the present
Yes.
time?
Tábornagy úr, hány ember felett rendelkezik a pillanatban?
Jelenleg körülbelül 10 000 magyar katonai munkás fölött rendelkezem, 6 ezredben összefogó.
He has at the moment 6 regiments with approximately 10,000 men, Hungarian soldiers and some civilian employees.
I see. Ask him. Sergeant Wilner, tell the general that the American Army will now take care of his men. They will be taken back and quartered in their own barracks that they have been living in so far. They will be fed and cleaned up. And from that time on, the American military government will step in and take charge of them and return them to their home country as soon as possible.
Yes. Tábornagy úr vissza fog most küldeni az embereket laktanyába, és az amerikai hadsereg fogja ellátni élelmezéssel, és ahogy a háborúnak vissza lesz, legrövidebb úton mindannyiukat hazaküldjük.
Hálás köszönetet mondok az amerikai hadseregnek azért az emberies bánásmódért, amelyben csapataimat és nem utoljára saját személyemet részesítették.
Sir, he says he wishes to thank the American Army for the human treatment we have given him and his men.
I see. All right.
Magyar katonák, az amerikai hadsereg részéről kapott emberies bánásmód fejében felajánljuk,
for the human treatment you have received.
Készen
the
vagyunk
American
nekik
Army.
dolgozni.
We offer ourselves to
A
work for the
emberies
Americans,
amerikai hadseregre kiáltsunk háromszoros
for the
éjjel.
human.
If you guys enjoy historical content and interested in more in-depth videos as well, take a look at my main channel, where you can find more informative videos about historical events, vehicles and weapons.
Rajtól, itt meg is hát gefallen. Milyen szervezeti utakon álltok?
Semmilyen.
Die hat nichts, kein Waffen. Nur die Offiziere Pistole, aber die können nichts.
Also, ich kann jetzt den Befehl geben, weiter zu marschieren.
És az a parancshoz vigyázz és tovább vagy.
Rendek, szállat! Tudálam! Szállat! Itt egy!
Sergeant, will you ask this man what nationality he is?
Welche Staatsangehörigkeit haben Sie?
Im Ungarn.
He's a Hungarian.
A Hungarian. Will you ask him what outfit or what organization he belongs to?
Welche Einheit haben Sie angehört?
Im Köseg.
Ja, was war das? Eine Schule da?
Königliche Ungarische Unterrealschule.
That was the Royal Hungarian High School.
High school.
Hey.
Sergeant, will you ask this man how much military training he's had?
Was für Ausbildung haben Sie bekommen?
Rexum, linksum und marschieren.
Kein Waffen.
Nicht.
He just received training in close order drill. He didn't have any training with weapons at all.
No training with weapons.
That's right.
How long has this young man been in the military service?
Seit wie lange sind Sie schon in der Schule?
4 Jahre.
He's been there for 4 years.
And for 4 years.
That's right.
Has this young man ever had any combat with American troops?
Haben Sie gegen amerikanische Truppen gekämpft?
Nicht.
He
Nicht
says
gern.
no, emphatically.
No. What's the age of this young man?
Wie alt sind Sie?
14.
He's 14 years old.
14 years old and has been in the Army for 4 years. Entered the Army when he was 10.
That's right.
Well, Sergeant, I guess that's about all the information we need off this young man, so we'll turn him back into the PW cage and let him go.
Okay. Also jetzt können Sie weggehen. Sie können da zurückgehen. Das wird alles sein.
Ja.
Sergeant, will you ask this young soldier here what nationality he is?
Was sind Sie? Deutsch?
Nichts.
Was sind Sie?
Ungarische.
He's a Hungarian.
You're Hungarian.
That's right.
Find out what organization he belongs to, what military organization.
Welche Einheit waren Sie? Was waren
Wir
Sie?
kommen von Köseg.
Ja, was waren Sie? In der Schule?
Schule, ja.
He was in an Hungarian military school.
A Hungarian military school. How about the military training of this young man, Sergeant?
Was für Ausbildung haben Sie bekommen?
Mit Haupttag
Ja, und was noch?
und Laser und
Haben Sie Waffen gehabt?
was?
Waffen, Feldwehr.
Nix. So nix.
Well, we just had close order drill, but they never had any training with weapons.
No training with weapons. How long has this youngster been in the service?
Wie lange sind Sie schon in der Schule?
Die Schule?
Ja. Hanje Evre.
Hanje Ivra Neij. Neij.
4 Jahre.
4
schon,
Jahre.
Schon 4 Jahre in der Schule?
Ich bin dritte Klasse.
Ja. He's been in already for 2 years. He's in his 3rd year now.
3rd year.
Cut.
Has this youngster ever had any combat or been around combat with American troops?
Haben Sie gegen amerikanische Truppen schon gekämpft?
Was?
Haben Sie gegen Amerikaner gekämpft? Gekämpft?
Gekämpft?
Ja,
Nicht
gegen
verstanden.
Amerikaner. Haben Sie geschossen gegen Amerikaner? Geschossen. So.
Nix, wir nix schossen.
Oh, they says they never fired a shot.
Never fired a shot. How old, what's the age of this boy?
Wie alt sind Sie?
12.
12 years old.
12 years of age, and he's had 3 years of military training. Well, Sergeant, I think we've finished with this young man. We'll put him back to PW.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like more informative content, check my main channel as well, where you can find in-depth videos about historical weapons, vehicles and events. See the link in the description.